Hello everyone, today we are design the pulley in solidworks. Yes, let's start together. Yeah, click part and click OK. Yes, select front plane, sketch, select center line, draw center line from origin to here. Yes, exit. Okay, select line and draw line, yeah, from this point to this point. Yes, and this point to this point. Yeah, this point to this point. Connect to this point. Yes, from this point to this point and connect to this point. Yes, click OK. Yes, select the origin. Yes, and select this line. Yes, click on coincident and click OK. Yeah, add smart dimension. Yeah, from this one to center line. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, 20. Yeah, 20. Okay. From this one to center line. Yeah. 40 mm. And this point to center line. 80 mm. Yes, and this point to center line. 100 mm. Yes. Yes. Oh, this one. Oh no, yes, this one. No. Yeah. Yes, sorry. Yeah, 100. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this line. 18 mm and this line to this line. Yeah. 8 mm. Okay. And this line. 22 mm. Click OK. Yeah. Yes, click skirt extrude. Yes, and click on revolve both base. Yeah, click OK. Yes, we get like this. Yeah. Select front plan and select no more. Yeah, select front plan and sketch. Select center line. Yes, draw center line from origin. Yes, to this point. Okay. Yes, is it? And select line. Draw line from this point. You have to this point to this point to this point. Yeah, and connect to this point. Okay. Yes. Add smart dimension. Yes, this line 13 yeah, and this line 5 yes, and this line to this line, yes, 110 degree, yes. Okay, click OK. Yes, feature and click revolve cut. Yeah, click OK. Yes, we get like this. Yeah. Okay. Select revolve one and select cut revolve one. Okay. Select here and click mirror. Yeah. Select the surface. Yeah. And click OK. Yes, we get like this. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Select right plane. Sketch and select normal. Yeah. Select center rectangle. Yes. Draw the center rectangle. Yes. Exit. Add smart dimension. Yes. Yes. This point 5 and this point 10 click OK. Yeah. OK. Yeah. Select feature and click extrude cut and select through all bots. Yes, click OK. Yes, click OK. Yeah. Yeah. Now we get like this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We get the pulley. Yeah. Add the color. Select. Yes. Select the color. Yeah. Select this color metallic. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We get the pulley. Yes. Yes. Thank you for watching this video. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more video design. Yeah. Thank you.